Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for another crafty week. Today we're going to be making some super cute Christmas hidden paper clips. These are super cute as bookmarks if you're reading a book in December, or you can make them as a little craft fair ideas, or as a little presents to give to your friends that like reading, or you can use them as a paper clips for your journals. As usual, super easy to make. If I get a plain page here, and I will share in the tutorial very quickly, very shortly, these work as paper clip. Okay, so you put a few things together. That is the back. Okay, if you wish to make them, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so today I wanted to showcase my paper for the Christmas embellishments bundle. And I thought, what can we do to showcase these beautiful papers? So this page here with the jumpers is part of this bundle. If you go on my website, and I'll show you everything in just a second, you see all my bundles, and then this page is part of the Christmas embellishment, which is 76 pages bundle. So you get loads and loads on Christmas papers. I've got 3 bundles, 3 Christmas bundles on my website, and for the month of November, for the entire month, all those 3 are 3 for 2. So you purchase 3, but you only pay for 2. So 1 is on me. And the discount code is on my newsletter, so make sure you join my newsletter. All the info are listed down below. Okay, so this one is part of the Christmas embellishment, which has got 76 pages. And what I thought we would do, we're going to do some hidden paper clips, something that you can put in your Christmas journal, but it's gonna look like that. I have used this paper last year, I think, when we make some tags together, so I will put the video at the end of this one, if I hope I remember. So I'll share with you guys how to make them. So the hidden paper clips, the principle is very simple. I've done thousands of videos on my channel how to make paper clips, so I'm going to make one with you, and I'm going to do the 2 off camera. Okay, so I cut the 2 jumpers. So we need just a scrap of paper, folded in half, okay, and then we're just going to put a paper clip in there. Now don't worry, because you won't see any of this. Okay, so I just put some double-sided tape, because we're going to put 2 layers together. Okay, so that's on both sides. You can use glue if you wish, but I prefer to use dry adhesive. So this is my paper clip. I'm just going to put it on the top. Okay, and then this one I'm just going to put on a larger thin paper. This is a bit of cardstock, this is a bit thinner. Okay, so we're just going to put it there, and then we glue the second layer on top of the first. Okay, and you'll be able to see with your fingers where the paper clip is. Okay, so what that does, if I cut, in fact, that will create, you can see if I do that, if I got a page, yeah, I got my embellishment page, so that will create the paper clip. Okay, that you push it down, and that you get the both sides. Okay, so it's very, very simple to make. And then what we're going to do, we're just simply going to glue the jumper on top, but bear in mind trying to center, because I don't know if you can see on camera. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. So trying to center the jumper and glue it on top of the paper clip. Okay, and then we just fussy cut it, and there we go, it's done. So this is one I have to put. I had one of these this is from the VIP lounge papers for this month. I had one of these on my desk and I thought, I think this jumper can do with a bow, so I have attached, I just cut one of these bow and I attached on the jumper, and I just put a little pearl in there. I just think it needed a big bow. I don't know, I'm crazy sometimes. And then on here, then I like, excuse me, and then I liked it, and I thought, right, let's put some pearls on the jumper. So I decorated them further. So let me show you. So if I get a page, in this case, my bundles page, so they will clip. So you open it, okay, and now, because the paper clip is inside, this is why it's called hidden, because you won't see it. So this will be the front, okay, and that is the back. And the reason why I picked this, because the back of this jumper, the first one that we made together, you saw me using the yellow cardstock, so it would be plain, because the yellow cardstock is, yeah, it's plain. Okay, so if I put this in there, so you will see the difference. So both on the front page, or if you use them as a bookmark, absolutely fine. And then on the back, if you want them plain, it will remain plain. If you put, I put some cardstock, it was printed, decorated, then you will get that on the back. I hope I'm explaining this correctly. What you can do as well, you can print another one on this page and basically glued the jumper on top of the yellow one, so both sides you will have a jumper. Okay, so just to give you a couple of more ideas, so you can leave them plain, you can use cardstock which is already printed, or you can use the papers and then again printed another one and glue them exactly on top. Okay, but this is what they will look like. Okay guys, so this is my website, AntonioMakes.com. There you can recognize it by the beautiful butterflies there that shed his wings. So when you click on my website, straight away the home page, you can see all my bundles, including the starter pack. Okay, so these are all my bundles of papers. They're very, very good value for money. You get tons on pages. So this one is the mega bundle. You get 166 pages for all $11.99. I mean, I cannot even give you any cheaper than that. When you select any bundle, so for example, if we select this one, the first square here is the preview. The second one is a little video showcase every single page. Okay, so you'll be able, guys, to see a preview of what you get. Okay, now if you click on journals, that's all the journals that I have for sale. This is the last one left. When you click on books, these are my books that I just mentioned today. So loads and loads of them. Okay, so if you click on them, you see the preview, and then again, same, if you click on the video, which is the second square, you'll be able to see every single page that is included in the book. Okay, and then here you get my VIP lounge, where is the monthly membership, where every month you get 30% discount across everything on my website. You get digital papers, unique digital papers sent to your email box, a gift box template, and a private video. So you can pay once, or you can pay once and that will last for the entire year, or you can pay just as little as £2 a month. Okay, so my digital bundles, my books, and my membership program. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Don't forget to download my bundles, the Christmas bundle, so you can make loads of Christmas project. I love those jumpers, and you can make 9,000 because there's a lot of jumpers in the kit. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video, please, because it really support with my journey here on YouTube. And every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you on Wednesday for the VIP lounge project, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.